my channel. My name is Jasmine and today I am very excited because today's video is all about me curling my hair, having a nice soft wave, beach wave that I want to do to my hair, especially that my hair is thin and soft and pretty flat. As you can see, this is how my hair is naturally when it's dried, like with normal air dried. I just comb it with my detangle brush right here. I just pass the comb and that's basically it, and it was dried, air dried. And yeah guys, so today I also want to talk about this curly wand right here. Is the T3 curly wand, and it says the single curl 1 inch and 1/4 is the size of this curly wand, and I'm really excited. This is my first time trying it and it's really nice. I have it right here. I love the color. It's normally white, but for the anniversary sale, I got it in the anniversary sale. It's this color. It's limited edition. So if you want to see my Nordstrom anniversary sale, I will add it down below in the description box, or you could see it by the end of the video. There will be a link. Also, as you may see, it's really nice. I love the color right here. It's green, like a green, blue, like a greenish, and it has, the hardware is rose gold. I love it, love it. I love rose gold. It's really nice and it's pretty big. I really am excited to try this. And this comes the wire is very flexible, and you don't have to be careful when you're trying to curl your hair because this moves around. Like I said, it's flexible. So I'm really excited about this. And this metal right here, you could put it lay down anywhere and it won't heat the surface or burn the surface. So that's a really plus, which is really good. And what else can I say about this? It's a smart microchip. All the electronic, by the way you turn it on, is turning this right here. Let me see if you can see that. You just turn it, and then you see those colors. It has 5 different levels. I think that's the first one, that's the second one, third one, fourth, and 5th. It has 5 levels, and it does that too because it's starting to heat up, so we have to be very careful. Really nice. I love the color. It's also great because the white one, you can easily stain it with if you have dyed hair, you can easily stain it with also the chemical that you apply to your hair. So that's why I really like this color, because it's dark and you can avoid any dirt, but it's also to keep it clean and wipe it down as soon as you finish doing your hair. So that's that. That's the curling one right there. It's very lightweight. It is very lightweight and it's flexible. It has 5 heat settings, like I mentioned. It's a ceramic barrier, so that's really good because it heats up quickly. It turns off automatically in an hour, it says in the box. So also to turn it off, because you don't want to leave something on while you're not in use of it. You just want to turn it off and be on the safe side. You just hold it. I will show you while I'll use it at the end. You just turn it and hold it for a couple seconds and it will automatically turn off. So I put it back to level 1 because it's already hot. It's very, very hot. I'm going to start from, I washed my hair today, so it's pretty clean. Now then, my hair gets staticky so fast, so I have to be careful. It's right here. I'm gonna part it in half, and then I'll just like go with one side, like one side first, and then I'll do this other side. I don't have a lot of hair, but if you have a lot of hair and you're blessed with a lot of hair, you're blessed. You could just start doing like 4 sections like this and these 2 sections, and then you clip this one on the top. But my hair is pretty. This piece right here, comb it out a little bit. I'm not gonna apply any heat protector because I'm not gonna use a lot of heat on my hair. So I'm just gonna grab the hair, and I already combed it, so I'm gonna grab the hair and spin it around. Hold a few seconds. I can feel the heat from my hair. That's that. Do a little bit more. What I have noticed is that it really heats really quick, and that's awesome because sometimes it could take long with some curling iron, but this one it really warmed up really fast. So that's awesome. There you go. That's nice and curled. I love it like that. I forgot my clip, so I'm gonna use my hair tie. So I got another little piece and wrap it again, and it's the same routine. I do it outward, so it's away from my face, out of my face, and it's more flowy, more volume. So I just wait cookings, but not too long because you don't want your hair to break and burn out. side. I just gotta comb. I have to comb it a little bit and make it looser. And also I have to retouch. So this is how it looks so far. Nice and wavy and with more texture. I like it. And like I said, you can also retouch a section after I'm done doing this section. And this section I'm gonna do the same thing, just the opposite way. I'll work like that away from my face. So I'm gonna do this part fast forward like that you guys don't see the same thing repetitive. Guys, this is the end result right here. I did more of a natural wavy hair this side. As you may see, I was just plucking section of the hair to just curl it to see how it works with just you know, not being too tight curls or being too, you know, specific with the hair. I just wanted to do some random hair, so for a day that you just want to do like an easy flowy wavy hair beach wave day, that you just could grab a random hair and just curl it a little bit, and works with just a quick, if you're running late, type of hair day. That's what my intention for this side was. And this one was more of a tight curl, so you can see that it's more flowy, and because I divided my hair. And it's really nice. I really like it. It's really flowy. I like the volume that it gives. It's so silk and smooth with volumes and a natural volume and curl. I really like it. This wing iron, I'm really excited to continue trying and working with it and just styling my hair. I will maybe do an updated version because this is my first time trying this out. And easy to use. Like I said, super light, flexible. The cord is very flexible. Have this still in one place, and then this will continue to move if you want to move. I love the color. I love the rose gold accessory hardware. I love it, but you gotta be careful. It's very, very hot and it heats up super quick, so just be mindful, which is something great because you want something to heat up fast so you can use it right away and get faster, get ready faster and all that stuff. So that's a plus. I love this. I really like it. I really enjoy it. If you want to check it out, you can check it out. I really recommend it. I really like it, but I just gotta keep playing with it because it's easy to use, and it makes the process of you making your styling your hair quicker and easier. I really enjoy that. So yeah guys, this is it for this video. If you want to know more about or have any questions about this here, the T3, please let me know in the comments. I will be more than happy to answer them if you have any questions. Also, if you I will add information in the description box about this as well, and everything that I said in the video will be down there below also. And yes guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy and like the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe down below to see more future videos that I am planning my way. And yes, I will see you in my next video. A close-up of the hair.